Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to use Magic Canvas AI photo generator on Motorola Edge 70. So, let's simply touch and hold free space on your main screen, then choose from the bottom Wallpapers part, and here from the three options choose Image Studio. Okay. Now, let's check how works create an image feature. At the beginning, you should add some description, some prompt of your future wallpaper. For example, Cyber Cat. Then, select aspect ratio. So, it should be square, portrait or landscape image. Let's try portrait. After, go down and optionally choose the style. You can choose between vintage, realistic or cartoon, etc. So I want to choose sci-fi style. And finally, activate the process by generate image button at the bottom. Now we should wait for a while. Alright, here we go. Here is our cat. So you can copy it, share or save and use like wallpaper, send it to your friends, download, etc. What you want. Also, style sync option we have here. So, using this option allows you create a wallpaper inspired by your unique style. Let me show you how it works. You should upload here a photo, like a reference, and then AI will generate a specific wallpaper for you. So, let me do a photo and show you how it works. So, I made the photo. Now we see that 5 image credits left. So you have some credits. You need some credits to generate wallpapers like this for uploads. So let's tap continue. Let's allow some permissions. And now wait for a while until the photo will be ready. Alright. So I made a photo of my flower. So AI was inspired by this photo and generate this type of wallpaper for me. So we can redo this photo, make a new photo, or copy, share or save this one. So that's it about Magic Canvas AI on Motorola Edge 70. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye.